Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are just going to look at an important tool that every trader should know about. All right, and that is how to use a VPS for Forex trading. Okay, now a VPS is also known as a virtual private server, and it is basically a remote computer that you can access from anywhere. The advantage is that it allows you to run your trading platform on a system that is fast, reliable, and always connected to the internet. So, why should you use a VPS for Forex trading? The main reason is stability. Okay, your home computer might lose power, your internet could disconnect, or your system could slow down, right? A VPS avoids all of that by running on powerful servers that stay online 24 hours a day. And this is especially important if you use automated trading systems, all right, or expert advisors. These systems need to keep running without interruption. Okay? So with a VPS, your trades continue to operate even if your personal computer is turned off. The first step in using a VPS for Forex trading is choosing the right provider. All right. Some brokers provide VPS services, directly to their clients. You can actually check out your broker's website to see if, the VPS services is being offered. Okay. While there are also independent providers. All right. For example, you can see that the popular MQL5 also offers VPS, right? You can see different plans. The mini for 1 month, 15 USD per month, where there is the optimal for 3 months, 13 USD per month, long is 6 months, 10.83 USD per month, and then max 12 months, 10 USD per month, right? Now there are also other, VPS providers out there. You can actually do your research if you want to use a VPS and find the one that is best suited for you. All right. What you want to look for is low latency to support, or rather low latency to your broker's servers. Okay. You want to look out for strong uptime guarantees, and reliable customer support. Okay. So once you have selected a VPS for Forex trading, um, once you have selected a VPS, logging in is pretty simple. Okay. Most traders actually use remote desktop connection, right? Which lets you access the VPS as if you are sitting right in front of it. Okay, so this is just an example, right? It's a remote desktop connection, and you just click on connect, and it takes you to the virtual, system. Okay, I'm just showing you an example, although you will need to log in, right? You can see. So this is an example, of the process of accessing a VPS. So you can see now it takes you, can you see? This is just, it's like a portal to a virtual desktop, right? And you can see that I can even minimize it because this is my real desktop screen, right? And this is like a virtual, desktop connection, which after I log in, I will then have access to, the remote desktop properly. All right, but I just wanted to show you how it looks like. Okay, so it's gonna just be as if you were sitting in front of, a virtual desktop, right? After logging in, you will see another desktop background there, and then you can log into your trading platform there, and perhaps load your robot to the chart and all of that, so that even when you put off your physical desktop or laptop, your virtual desktop will still be running. All right. So after you log in, you install your trading platform just like you would on your own computer. From there, it's business as usual, right? You can set up your charts, add your indicators, and run your expert advisors, right? The difference is that all of this runs on the VPS, which means it keeps working even if your own computer shuts down or your internet connection drops. All right. Another advantage is security. VPS providers often include protection against hardware failures, power outages, and cyber attacks. Right. So this makes your trading setup more reliable and keeps your trading environment safe. Okay. In the end, knowing how to use a VPS for Forex trading can make your strategy more consistent, because it gives you constant access to the market, keeps your systems online, and removes the risk of missed trades due to technical problems. Okay, so if you want to try out a VPS, remember what we talked about, the things that you should be looking out for. Okay, ensure that while you are doing your research, you pay attention to VPS that offers low latency to your broker servers. All right, you can actually ask questions if you were confused at any point. Ensure that the customer support service of the VPS provider that you want to make use of is active. Okay, and you ask your necessary questions. Watch out for low latency, watch out for strong uptime guarantees, and reliable customer support. You never can tell when you're going to need a support, right? So make sure that there is a reliable customer support in case of if you get, stranded at any point. Okay, so you can just always contact the customer support of the VPS provider, right? So if you found this guide on how to use a VPS for Forex trading helpful, just a very, very simple guide, yeah? Just click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that break down the tools every trader should know. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.